Hello, my name is David Trimberger, and I am answering the Module 1 Discussion 2 question. In regards to this question, I found it to be kind of silly because of the way that it was exactly asking about the question. So, whenever it states that if you take a liter of tap water and you inject it into someone's vein, that it'd be okay. Well, let's just start at the beginning of that sentence. Whenever it says if you inject a liter of tap water, into them. Well, for starters, is the tap water clean? Is it filtered? Like, are we getting this from Flint, Michigan, and they're getting a bunch of lead pumped into their veins? I mean, in regards to this, there's no way to actually justify getting water from a hose or from your sink is going to be perfectly clean to be able to inject into yourself. And that I could see where a bunch of reactions could come from that, as well as other detrimental things. And now, in regards to the part of where it's saying, say you injected a liter into them. Well, injecting a liter of fluid, depending on how fast, or like depending on how this, okay, sorry, I'm saying this terribly, but say, like, are you giving that liter as like a bolus where you're just injecting all of that in at once? Or are you putting them on like an IV drip where it's going to be happening kind of rather slowly? Because if you do it really quickly, you could be putting them into fluid overload, and then that leads into a whole nother set of problems. Or if you have them on like a drip, they have access to be able to properly filter that? Are they going to be going into hypervolemic shock? Like what? There are so many factors of injecting just a straight liter of fluid into the body, because regardless of if you're going fast or slow, whatever you're injecting into your body, yet again, still needs to be clean and filtered. And in our regards, not really tap water. So this is kind of my thought process on this discussion question, and thank you for listening.